and welcome into Bon Appetit. We are having so much fun.
Amen.
Every time we have Ed on from Vintage Olive, and Vintage Olive is right there in the Pepper Tree Shopping Center, and you're right by Pepper Tree.
Next to the Pepper Tree Steak and Wine.
Right there, so it's easy to get to. It's great, and I tell you, folks, I am now hooked on their vinegar and their olive oil because it's awesome and it's healthy. And we're doing a
Super
22
healthy.
and U, which is a new you and getting healthy as far as
Yes.
what you're putting in your body. So what are you doing for us today?
All right, today is a unique way to use some of our balsamic vinegars. All of our vinegars are at least 12-year aged, and they all come from Modena, Italy. The only sugar in them is the grape musk. So there's no processed sugar in them at all.
Wow.
It's just the vinegars. We have one vinegar that's got a little few grams of sugar because it's maple balsamic vinegar, and it has a little smidgen of pure maple balsamic maple syrup in it.
Yep.
Which is also really good on oatmeal and.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're going to try some, this is sparkling water. Of course, you can use regular water, and plain yogurt and vanilla yogurt.
Okay,
And then we got unsweet tea.
okay.
So we'll start out with a little lemon balsamic vinegar. And you can adjust it in a glass about that big. You know, you're going to use a tablespoon. You can adjust it to your flavor. But you just put it in there like that. And that's a rough guess, so go ahead and taste that. But it's just a good, fresh, clean, lemony
So you
flavor.
don't have to mix it up. You just put it in.
Just with one swirl with a spoon,
Yeah.
you know, it's good. And if it's a little weak, you can add a
Wow,
little more.
no, that's great, and it gives it some life.
Yeah,
You know?
it's got that crisp, clean taste to it.
Plus the vinegar is good for
Yeah.
you.
My goodness.
Don't you? Isn't that good?
Yeah.
And we have a bunch that you can put in waters. One of my favorite is Gravenstein apple. It's a white balsamic like that, so it's really good in water.
I bet that peach balsamic would be good
I got
too.
the peach here. We're
That
gonna try in
peach
just a
would
minute.
be good.
And here's another interesting thing. You like mint tea?
So basically, this would give you some calories from the olive oil, but 1 tablespoon is minimal.
Well, this is
20
vinegar,
it's
so
10 to 20 calories.
Yeah. Okay. So see, that's wonderful because you're having a drink you can enjoy.
yeah, it's
Got
good.
tons of flavor.
Tons of flavor.
10 to
This is-
20 calories
Yeah.
and no bad stuff.
So that's is that
Oh, shoot,
sweet
yeah.
tea or unsweet tea?
This is unsweet tea. Give me a little spoon to go stir that. This is lemongrass mint balsamic vinegar. The mint is going to be the main thing you taste,
All
so
right, see
it
what
tastes
you
like
think.
mint tea.
Oh, I can smell it already.
This is better than a wine tasting, y'all.
You can also put the lemon in the mint tea.
Oh yeah. My goodness.
I never thought of this.
And
Never.
again, that's 10 to 20 calories a tablespoon,
Sure.
which is going to be a big glass. So. All right, we'll move along to the yogurt. You like fig?
I like fig. I love the peach.
Cinnamon pear? We're going to give you cinnamon pear.
I gotta have some peach
You like
too.
fig? We're gonna give you cinnamon.
You like fig? Okay, I like it all. He knows.
All right. That's just a
Okay.
plain
So-
yogurt with cinnamon pear balsamic
So
vinegar.
basically, Ed, if a person was going to be eating some yogurt, they're normally going to have like a half a cup of yogurt or something, and then to a half a cup of yogurt, you're going to put a teaspoon maybe.
And we're going to give Mr. Jack strawberry.
Ooh. So you got to mix it up, right?
That's your option.
Now, what did you do again? This is awesome.
That is, what I give you? I think I gave
So
you
let me ask you a
cinnamon
question.
pear.
Cinnamon
These
pear.
things,
It's good.
These come in this size bottle, then, right?
These are our sample bottles.
Oh, okay.
We do sample
so you
packs.
do have the regular size bottle.
But you can buy these. But it's more economical to get the bigger bottles. But
Sure.
we do have these sample bottles.
But they're fun if you want to get a bunch of those and try it. And what I did was I had the samples, and then I picked out the ones I liked the best. Then I got the big bottle.
That's a great way to do it. And the sample packs are also our #1 gift. The dark chocolate,
Mother's Day is coming up.
the dark chocolate balsamic vinegar with the blood orange olive oil is a really good Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
So there are dozens of different combinations of.
Sit and continue to eat.
I know. You keep talking. We're eating. That is delicious, and I never thought of that.
Now, these two you put on plain yogurt, or do you put it on vanilla yogurt? It was the vanilla
Yours was on plain, hers was on vanilla.
and vanilla.
And we have a vanilla balsamic vinegar too, so if you just want to put it on plain. But it's just a lot of people will put this on their baked potato instead of like sour cream.
Oh.
I would say we're all trying to get a little slimmer because we talk about health all the time,
Right.
and we talk about obesity in this state, and these are wonderful ways to be healthy. Great things that you can put in your body to help you lose weight and stay healthy. And I drink the 8 glasses of water a day. I'm diligent about that, but I tell you what, with this, I may go up to 10 because this is going to make drinking water fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
This won't be boring, and you can do different ones. I love this.
Yeah, like on a sweet potato, baked sweet potato, you can put a little plain yogurt with a little cinnamon pear that you had in that and stir it up.
Good.
On a baked potato is delicious. And you can there's multiple combinations you can do like that.
Or could you just put your butter olive oil
Oh, absolutely.
on that baked potato
yeah.
instead of
Just
all that
gonna
butter
taste just
that
like
I'm used to
melted
doing?
butter. With no
Ed, you hit another home run here, buddy. You need to let people know you're open. You're open Tuesday through Saturday, right?
Yes, sir, 10 to
Closed
6.
on Mondays, closed on Sunday and Monday from 10 in the morning till 6. Pepper Tree Shopping Center, which is on Vaughan Road in Montgomery. And you can go to their website and just, when you go there, you're not going to leave.
There's a lot
just
of
so many
information.
different things you can do and print off different recipes and just find some unique ways to make a better you in 22. And we'll be right back right after this.